Bring on the bass with Tekk Neckbud 4010G because while using them, आपको इसकी बैटरी लाइफ की चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है as it gives you 20+ hours of super long listening, वो भी सिर्फ 1.5 घंटे की चार्जिंग से. Plus, these neckbuds are sweat and water resistant with magnetic design. Available at very attractive prices. ये neckband Bluetooth version 5.0 configured है और सभी स्मार्टफोन्स के साथ compatible है. और up to 33 feet means 10 meters तक इसकी Bluetooth range है. Tekk Neckbud 4010G आपको up to 20+ hours का playback time देता है on complete charging और इसका standby time है up to 260 hours. Isn't it really great? This neckbud from Tekk is IPX5 rated device जो इसे आपका ideal companion बना देता है while you sweat out on the field or in the gym during your workouts. इसका ergonomic design और जो magnetic earbuds है वो इन्हें काफी user friendly बना देते हैं और controlling भी इसकी काफी easy है because यहाँ single panel पर आपको सभी controls मिल जाते हैं and this control board is coated with high grade silicone finish. You may answer, hang up calls and even reject your calls by this button. Play pause music and wake up smart assistant via this integrated control. So according to our first impression, its battery backup is quite good. Bass is normal, not that high, but overall sound quality is great. It comes with good packaging by the seller. It is actually better than a neckband और आप इसे easily carry भी कर सकते हैं. Call connectivity is also good. Buttons are very user friendly. Noise cancellation भी अच्छा है और बस और क्या चाहिए आपको इस प्राइस में. Overall, I had a great experience with this and that is why I recommend it to all. And the good part is, इस particular neckbud पर आपको 1 साल की वारंटी भी मिलती है. So simply enjoy music and calling with Tekk Neckbud 4010G. इसके लेटेस्ट और डिस्काउंटेड प्राइसेस के लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए लिंक को भी चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. So this is it for this video. See you soon in a very new video with some more amazing product reviews like this. This is Divya from Tegonity Studio. We'll catch you soon. Till then, goodbye. Take care.